was the first congressional hearing specifically on ICOs. Where these government employees stand on cryptocurrencies and ICOs in general? Are they open-minded and receptive towards it, or is there a measure of defensiveness here?
So it's always a mixed bag, I think, and you see some Democrats and some Republicans. It's not really a partisan issue who are skeptical, and you see some Democrats and Republicans who are very excited about the idea of new financial technologies. One area where I think there's commonality is that these are very complicated systems, and that there are a lot of different moving parts here. So just the mere division between a cryptocurrency on one hand and working systems like Bitcoin and Ethereum and ICOs, or very speculative offerings of new or future tokens, that line is somewhat unclear. As you said, this is the first hearing about ICOs. We've had hearings about cryptocurrencies before, so it's like let's just add some more complicated stuff into this mix and hope that everybody can learn about it and figure out good policy.
Peter, right now as it stands, if a company wants to issue an ICO, can they do so in the 100% complete knowledge that they're on the right side of the law? Or is there still so much ambiguity that even if they got all the top flight law firms, they would still have to question whether they're doing it correctly?
Yeah, no, it's a good question. Here in the U.S., if you want to sell to American investors, I think you can be relatively assured that if you do basically normal securities filings, either register, have an IPO, or take advantage of Jobs Act safe harbor like Reg D or Reg A+, and do all the filings and compliance there, which may mean you only sell to accredited investors, or it may mean you only raise $50 million. If you follow those strictures, which are just, plain vanilla securities law, this is not crypto weirdness, I think you'll be pretty safe. Now, the larger question is, once you develop your token project that you raised money in the ICO to build, and you release those tokens and they travel on an open blockchain, like Bitcoin travels on an open blockchain or Ethereum travels on an open blockchain, is the token then still a security, or is it now something different? Is it a cryptocurrency or a commodity? We feel quite strongly that at that point, the token doesn't fit the test for a security, the Howey test, but that maybe is a looming ambiguity. But that doesn't stop you from doing the sale beforehand. The sale beforehand can be compliant.
By the way, crypto weirdness, I love. Peter, I want to get your take on Google.
So if you are going to be investing in cryptocurrencies, and unfortunately I'm sorry to show you guys this, but it's been a very, very tough day today. We are definitely hitting another low point. We haven't gone down to our $289 billion low, but we're at 320, which is pretty bad, and cryptos are getting crushed. But on the good news, this regulation stuff is going to really help us recover. If you are an investor in cryptocurrency, or if you're thinking of investing in cryptocurrency, you want to pay attention to this news, and it's really important to understand some of the regulation issues. But for cryptocurrency, because I know there's a lot of FUD in the market and people like to scare people, it's never going to be banned, and it's never going to be completely regulated, because if you follow this channel, I have videos that discuss that it's very interesting that cryptocurrencies are very easy to change, and if they do pass some sort of regulation to limit a certain type of currency or to consider it as a security, there's always loopholes to go around it. And even right now, when he's trying to explain everything, the argument is it a commodity? Is it a security? It's very easy for whoever is creating the next generation cryptocurrency to change it and make it where it won't be in the regulations. So I don't see cryptocurrencies ever going to zero, no matter what kind of regulations passed. And Goldman Sachs just put in a bunch of money to buy one of the crypto exchanges. So once Goldman's got their money in there, I really doubt governments are going to do anything. I mean, the main thing is it does need to be properly regulated, it properly needs to be taxed, and then the price will go up to the moon that we've been talking about, that $1 trillion market cap. It's just the government wants its cut, Wall Street, Goldman Sachs wants its cut, and then crypto will do well. So don't panic in this market, and definitely, if you can, subscribe to this channel. I'll be posting more news about the regulations and trying to educate everyone. So if you are going to be investing in this, you want to know what's going on, and there's a lot of panic and fear, and don't let that manipulate your thoughts, because that's how the big boys are making money off of this, uncertainty. But let me know what you guys think. We're getting closer and closer to 3,000 subscribers. In fact, maybe by the time I post this video, we're at 3,000, which is awesome. And the goal for the channel is 10,000 subscribers, hopefully by the end of the year. We'll see about that. And thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.